Before we start, there is two important things to know. First, the XRP reserve rule. The XRP network requires 1 XRP to activate a new wallet. So, if you send 100 XRP to a new wallet, 99 XRP will be spendable. That 1 XRP is locked by the network, not by Kraken or Trezor. Second, if you bought XRP on Kraken using your card or bank transfer, your funds may be locked for up to 72 hours for security reasons. Once that's clear, let's begin. First, open your Kraken app and log in your account. Tap Portfolio at the bottom and select XRP. Then tap Withdraw. Now we need the XRP address from your Trezor wallet. Connect your Trezor device to your computer and open Trezor Suite. Make sure your device supports XRP, Safe 3, Safe 5, Safe 7, or Model T. If you don't see XRP, click the plus icon and XRP and open the account. Now click Receive, then show the full address and confirm the address on your Trezor device. Once confirmed, copy the address or scan the QR code using the Kraken app. Back in Kraken, paste the wallet address. You do not need a destination tag for Trezor. Also, make sure the Ripple XRP network is selected. Now add a nickname for the address, enter the amount of XRP, review the details, and tap Withdraw. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.